concept, probability bias. In fact, our intuition and objective probability often do not match. Behavioral economists call the probability that humans think they have psychological probability. When psychological probability does not match objective probability, it is called probability bias. Case you participate in a program and are lucky enough to have the opportunity to draw on stage. There are 3 prop doors A, B, and C on the stage, and a brand new Tesla is behind one of them. If you guess correctly, you can drive away with the car. Each probability is 1/3, and you choose B. At this time, the host opens one of the other 2 doors, which is empty. The host gives you an extra chance to change, and asks if you want to stick with B or choose another door. Will you choose to change? Statistics show that most people choose not to change. The reason is that now there are only 2 doors left, and the probability of the Tesla being behind each door should be 50:50. Since it doesn't matter what you choose, you still believe in your intuition and stick to your first choice. Congratulations to most people, you are all wrong. The correct answer is to change. Changing from B to another door doubles the probability of drawing the Tesla. Due to space limitations, mathematical reasoning will not be discussed here. Students who are good at math can share their deduction logic with everyone in the comments. Many people must be surprised. Why does this go against intuition? Summary: 3 reasons Nobel laureate in economics and behavioral economist Daniel Kahneman believes that this bias mainly comes from 3 reasons. First, representativeness bias. A very awkward name, which actually means generalizing from a small sample. For example, if you find that several good friends are Pisces, you will feel that you get along better with Pisces. This may be harmless, but it is also generalizing from a small sample. If you win 3 times in a row at a casino and feel that your luck is really good today, if you insist on playing because of this, representativeness bias will teach you a lesson based on real probability. The second bias is availability bias, which is also a mouthful. I call it seeing is believing. For example, if a plane crashes, it will inevitably attract attention, and you will most likely think that flying is very dangerous. However, in fact, in terms of deaths per kilometer, flying is 22 times safer than driving. The third bias is anchoring effect, which is also difficult to understand. I call it first impressions. That is to say, the first impression can lead to your judgment of people's preferences and the good or bad of things, which can be detached from reality and even unshakable. For example, if your first boyfriend is a scumbag, you will think that no man is a good person. In summary, how to make more accurate business decisions. Learn mathematics, especially probability and statistics. For those who can verify objective probabilities, seek help from mathematics and do not rely on subjective judgments. For those who cannot verify objective probabilities, do not rely too much on your own subjective intuition. Ask professional consultants, or the advice of more friends around you. Use their life experiences to counteract your first impressions.